In this video, I will show you how to cancel a replacement order on Amazon. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up the Amazon app on your device. So once you've gone ahead and open this up and you're logged into your account, if you look at the bottom, you've got some different icons. What you want to do is click onto this picture of a person to come across to your profile. Now from here, if you look at the top, you've got some more options, and what you want to do from here is press onto your orders. And then what you want to do is locate the order that you want to cancel. So for myself, I'm going to select this one here. And once you've pressed onto the order, you're going to see the option here which says cancel order. So all you want to do is press onto cancel order. And it's going to come up with a notice basically saying if you have been charged, a refund will be processed and will be available to you in the next 5 to 7 business days. So you can put a cancellation reason if you want to, but you don't have to do this. It's completely optional. But to go ahead and confirm, just go ahead and press the yellow cancel selected items button. So once you've done that, you're going to see that it's disappeared from the list. To double check this has been cancelled, you can come up to here where it says filter, press onto this and then select cancelled and press apply. And if it's cancelled successfully, you're going to see the order in here. So just a quick note that normally if the item has already been shipped, you're not going to be able to cancel the order. But besides that, that is how to go ahead and cancel a replacement order on Amazon. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.